Hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome again to another of Ambient Properties property videos. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Today we are profiling a really very special apartment in Ocean Gardens. It's a penthouse, 2,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it comes with a car park, and as you can see, a sensational view. So I'm now going to hand over to my colleague Ryan, who will take you through the apartment on the tour. Enjoy the tour.
Thank you. Thank you, Suzanne. So, welcome everyone, and I would like to welcome you to this very, very special, well-designed apartment. So, followed by the balcony. First, we see the living and the dining area, which is very, very spacious and very, very ideal if you have a family of 3 to 4. So, followed by the dining area, we arrive at the kitchen, which is an open kitchen with an island setup. And we have a family or entertainment room, which gives you some privacy, except from the living area. On the other side of the kitchen, we can see a very, very bright mix or alternatively storage room, followed by a bathroom. This is the guest toilet, very well made. And this is the master bedroom. We can see very spacious sleeping area, standard double size bed, walk-in closet, and all right. So of course you got your study desk in the master as well. Okay, on the other side of the corridor, we can see a third bedroom, which is flexible to turn into a study or a child's room. And we come to our second ensuite bedroom, with also built-in closet and a well-designed bathroom followed by. I hope you enjoy the tour. And Suzanne, it is a very, very well-designed apartment. I like it already. So can you summarize what is the benefits of the area in total?
Sure. I personally live in Ocean Gardens and I find it beautifully convenient. Not only are there 2 supermarkets just downstairs, one is 24 hours, there's post office, there's bank, brilliant dry cleaning. Ocean Gardens has a very, very good clubhouse. And of course we really adore the view. As you can see at the beginning of our tour, we showed you Hengqin Island. Now everybody, you will have been aware that Ambient Properties conducts Hengqin investor tours, so please watch out for our next news flash for our next tour. We'd love you to join us. And in the meantime, back to Ocean Gardens, and if you like this apartment, do give us a call. You'll see our number and our email address at the bottom of your screen, and we have other properties also we would be pleased to show you. So until we see you next time, wishing you all the best from me and Ryan of Ambient Properties. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye.